In this video, I will guide you how you can place image behind text easily. So for this, you need to click on the insert on the top ribbon and go to the picture. Click on this device. So here I am selecting this image. You can resize by dragging and place it on the slide. Once you are happy with the placement, then go to the insert and click on the text box. Now type the desired text and place it on the image. And you can also go to the right click and click the send to back. Now you can move the image. You can see that the text is not moving. So how you can move all together text and image? You need to select text and image both, and again right click and click on the group. Click on the group, and now you can see that the image and text both are moving all together. So in this way you can place image behind text easily. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.